After the hurricane hit, Mike's phone wouldn't stop ringing. Desperate homeowners needed repairs fast. His competitors were charging triple rates. Easy money was everywhere. Mike looked at the damage quotes on his desk. He could make more in 1 month than he usually made all year. Instead, he charged his normal rates, barely enough to cover materials and labor. His wife worried they'd go broke while others got rich. But word spread about the honest contractor who didn't exploit people's desperation. 6 months later, the city called with their biggest contract ever. Integrity pays dividends.